Hello, everyone. As part of our series of events that we are having, which are success story events, we have today with us Purvaja. Purvaja has done her master's in statistics, okay, and she has done it from um, Maharashtra. And post that, she joined us as a student with 360DigiTMG. Once she completed her training, we were also excited because someone coming from statistics background would add more value to the projects, right? And that is exactly what she has done, right? Given her past knowledge and given 360 digit mg training, she honed her skills to such an extent that she started dealing not one but multiple projects in parallel. And it's all her hard work and dedication, no doubt about that. And her batchmates also have joined and they also eventually got jobs. And congratulations, Purvaja, and thank you so much for joining in. The first question is, Purvaja, can you explain your journey with 360 Digit MG and also your journey with AiSPRY?
First of all, thank you so much, Bunny, for giving this opportunity. Yes, I completed my master's in statistics, and after that, I joined a data science course in 360 DigiTMG. So the course gave me a strong foundation, not just in learning tools like Python, machine learning, and Power BI, but also the mindset needed to solve a real-time world projects problems. But remember, learning happening when you apply that knowledge. And after completing that course, I joined AiSPRY as a data scientist. I had opportunity to work in a real world projects across different domains. Each and one project taught me a something new thing, and I developed a lot confidence there while interacting with the clients. So that's all for me.
Wonderful. So, yes, I remember you mentoring a lot of projects and you were the go-to person. At least for me, you were the go-to person. I used to ask, Purvaja, can you give me an update on these set of projects? And you would quickly give me the updates. So that also, I believe, gave you enough exposure. And now you are very confident because you worked on wide variants of projects cutting across different industries.
Yes.
So, Purvaja's second question is, what would your suggestion be for those people who want to venture into the field of data science or data analytics? How should they prepare and what should they focus on? Usually people become restless. They assume that they can complete the training, they'll rush through and complete the training in 4 months and eventually get a job. So what is your take on it?
So basically, learning data science is not about a speed, it's all about a consistency. So try to do every day something new, learn everything, and every day you will learn many more things. So be consistent. That's a suggestion from my side.
Wonderful. So there you go, friends. Purvaja is saying that be consistent, right? Every day, continuously start learning something or the other, and ultimately success will be yours. Yeah. Thank you so much, Purvaja, and do stay in touch. I'm looking forward to, interacting with you more and then, understanding more.
Sure, Bani.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you, Bani.